Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Revolut. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to receive notifications on Revolut. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper left-hand corner, your profile icon. Next, scroll down and then click on notification settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on personalized Revolut offers. And once you do so, you should see toggle buttons to go ahead and turn off notifications for different types of offers. Right now, my screen is hidden to protect my personal information, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.